Good morning, people! We are going to Ikea because where we edit our videos, I hate it. I made a desk work there. I think I've showed it in other videos, but I hate it there. So I am saying screw it, we're going to Ikea, I'm buying a desk. So I can set things up properly there and actually work. And I'm also planning on buying a shelf to stick all my camera gear on so it's organized, because right now I keep all my camera gear in different spots in the house. Every time I want to get ready, it's just like run here, run there, run all over the place. And yeah, I'll show you now. This is where we're currently. We got that stool, and then I put a piece of wood on there that's a little bit longer so we can have our legs under there, and then we got the laptop there. I want to take this and completely remove it and put a desk there, and then I want to put a shelf up there, and I can put all the gear up top there. Well, all the big gear that will look good there. I have been hesitant to put that shelf up because we haven't painted the kitchen yet and it looks awful, but I also need a place to put this and we can always paint around it. So let's fast forward a little bit. We made it to Ikea, and I'm on my phone because I didn't want to bring the camera. We're in the elevator. Let's go find our desk. Okay, we found a desk, I think, right?
Yeah, we're gonna go with our gut, the one that we liked last time already. And it's a good price.
This guy here. We decided to eat at Ikea. We've never done this before.
Or the meatballs? Which one does Ryan want? Okay.
We've never eaten here before, but we're told that they have good food, so I got the ribs. And
I got, what is it?
haddock.
Haddock and chips. And you got chicken fingers, fries, and you got macaronis, and then we kind of just mixed them, so each got a bit of everything.
You know what the best part is? Do you know?
What is the best part?
Cheesecake. The berries on there are sour. But cheesecake. Do you want some cheesecake? Do you want some cheesecake? Do you want some cheesecake, Mom? Now we need to go pick up our stuff that we want to buy. Alright, we are ready to go. Mom found a little cabinet that she wants to take home yet. And we're just going through the checkout now. Done at the checkout. Ooh, opens the window, it is hot in here. Now I need to go bring the vehicle over there so that we can load our stuff up without having to bring it out into the parking lot. Okay, we're all loaded. We're all loaded. Mom is buckling the boys. We got all the stuff crammed in there. It's coming all the way up here. And that's why Owen's in the middle today. Now, are we doing anything else in the city or straight back home?
I want to go to Marshall's.
Marshall?
Like Marshall from Paw Patrol?
No, like it's like a Winners, but it's a Marshalls. Kelly says it's really good.
I've never even heard of it before.
It's like that big, right beside the big Canadian Tire by that McDonald's that we went to last time.
Oh yay, a discount store. Daddy's favorite. Mommy's gonna be in there for hours. Okay. Yeah, that happened. What was the bill in there? $220?
Yeah.
Discount stores. This lady. Oh wait, I bought a bunch of stuff too.
You bought a bunch. And we did school, backpacks, and lunch kits, and shoes.
Yeah, you can show them all that on your channel. Check out Pink Mommy if you want to see what we all bought. Now, let's just go home. This is the space we're trying to upgrade. We need to paint these walls yet because I don't know who chose this disgustingly ugly green, but we're gonna upgrade this now, and check this out. That didn't work. Okay, let's try that again. Nothing changed. How about I go like this? Woo! That is much better, don't you think? I mean, we still need to paint the walls, but that looks much better and it's much more comfy. And we can sit here in a chair now. Got the drawers, still got the coffee maker, laptop, notebook, and I will be putting the camera gear up there, but I'm using it right now. So that shelf will be for the camera gear and the globe that I found. I don't think you can see it, but here, let me show you. So what we did is we put this desk here, laptop, notebook, coffee maker's there, and then we put the shelf up. I found that globe at Marshall's. It was pretty cool, I had to buy it. Now I'll have the camera gear up there. But yeah, there's our day. It was a long day, and Mom bought a bunch of stuff, and I bought a bunch of stuff. If you want to go see all that stuff, Elisa's channel, I'm pretty sure she's going to do a haul on that. But that's our day for now. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.